Amazon WorkSpaces lets AI agents operate desktop applications, just like people.
Enterprises run critical work on desktop applications. Custom workflows, compliance requirements, and years of undocumented logic make migration risky and expensive.
But your AI agents need the data locked inside. With Amazon WorkSpaces, agents operate your existing desktop apps, with no changes required.
Your AI agents can run anywhere and securely access their own workspace. Within minutes, scale up or scale down, you only pay for what you use.
Here's an example. You want your web app to handle a workflow currently locked in your desktop application. WorkSpaces bridges the gap.
Now let's see it in action. When a doctor files the prescription in your web app, it sends the request to an agent.
The agent starts a WorkSpaces session and receives computer use tools.
By clicking, typing, and taking screenshots, it fulfills the API request.
Using skills and tools, it navigates the app and enters the data correctly.
WorkSpaces logs every tool call, screenshot, and performance metric.
When done, the agent sends back a response and the doctor receives a notification in their app.
Begin reinventing your workflows with Amazon WorkSpaces. Get started today.